Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn counting in Punjabi from 1 to 10. If you find the video helpful, please go ahead, like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. 1. In Punjabi it is ik. 2. दो 3 ਤਿੰਨ 4 ਚਾਰ 5 ਪੰਜ 6 ਛੇ 7 ਸੱਤ 8 ਅੱਠ 9 9 10 10. Okay, let's do it together. 1 एक 2 दो 3 तीन 4 चार 5 ਪੰਜ 6 ਛੇ 7 ਸੱਤ 8 8 9 9 10 10. Good job. Okay, so go ahead, practice it, and if you want me to make the video from Hindi to Punjabi, please comment down below. And if the video is helpful, please like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.